Hello girls, I'm Ruchita and you're watching Foam, Fashion on my own. We all use straighteners and chemical treatments to straighten our hair, knowing very well that these products will damage our hair. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to share some home remedies with you that will help you straighten your hair naturally. So keep watching. Lemon juice and coconut milk together work as a cream conditioner and hair straighten hair. All you have to do is grate a coconut to extract the milk from it and add a few drops of lemon juice for better results and apply this cream. Wash with lukewarm water after an hour. You have to apply this home remedy at least twice a week and you'll see a noticeable difference. Chop a bunch of celery leaves and extract juice by straining and blending through a muslin cloth. Store this in a bottle overnight. The next morning, apply this juice on your hair from the root to the tips. Comb with a broad toothed comb so that your entire hair is covered. And after that, leave it on for an hour or so. Rinse with water and let it dry. Eggs make your hair shinier and stronger, whereas olive oil keeps them moisturized. These ingredients, when combined together, will give you straight hair. What you need to do is take 2 eggs and beat them properly, and add 4 tablespoons of olive oil to it. Apply this mixture on your hair and scalp, and then use a wide toothed comb and comb your hair. Leave this mixture on your hair for about 30 to 45 minutes after you wear a sharp cap. Then rinse it off and wash off with a mild shampoo. Hot oil massage will give you frizz-free and perfectly straight hair. Heat some coconut oil. You can also use castor oil or olive oil till it's warm to touch. Just make sure you don't heat it too much, otherwise it will burn your hair follicles. Now massage this oil in your scalp and also your hair from the root to the tips. Cover your hair with a towel and leave it on for 30 minutes or so. Then wash it off with a mild shampoo and conditioner. You will see a noticeable difference from the first wash itself. Take 1 cup of Fuller's Earth or Multani Mitti. Mix 1 egg white and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Add water in this mixture to make a paste and apply it on your hair from the root to the tips. Just make sure you comb your hair properly before you apply this mixture. After that, leave this on for about 30 minutes and comb with a wide tooth comb. Rinse off with water and wash your hair with a mild shampoo. It may take some time to get rid of Fuller's Earth from your hair, but the end results will be worth it. Take 2 overripe bananas and mash them properly with a fork. And then add about 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, honey and olive oil. Mix it properly till it becomes a fine paste. Apply this hair mask on your hair and then cover it with sharp cap. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. All the ingredients in this paste will make your hair shiny, healthy and straight. Before using any of these home remedies, the first thing I want to tell you is you have to be extremely patient, as this is a home remedy and not a chemical treatment that you get done at a salon. Also, if you use any of these home remedies at least twice a week, notice a difference. The heavier or more moisturizing conditioner that you use, it will weigh your curls down and make your hair look longer and straighter. Don't towel dry your hair. The friction from rubbing your hair against the towel will create frizz and encourage curling. So ladies, now you know how to straighten hair naturally. If you have any other problems and you want remedies, let me know in the comments below. And for more such tips, subscribe to Foam, Fashion on my own. Bye!